Jessie just loves looking out the window. I made him a little pet bed and a little pet window pillow. He loves birdie watching. He sees something. Hi, Jess. Look at his face. Jessie loves looking out the window. He sees something. I made him a little fleece pet bed and a fleece pillow for his window. Oh. Jessie. What do you see, baby? Look at that face, that's serious. There's birdies sitting on the roof. Hi, Jess. His little tail is going. He's just the sweetest little guy. He doesn't even know I'm taping him. Hi, little man. Hi, Jessie. Thanks for watching, guys.